Welcome to Breakthrough Earners. Start earning today with us. Here you will be getting various revolutionary ideas of earning money online. So today what I brought for you is a website that will make you earn by just typing. But the question arises, can you earn something just by typing? Is that so simple? And the answer, if I say, is yes. So let's see how it is possible. Not only if you cannot earn just pennies, but you can be earning like $1,000 per month by just doing simple typing job 1 hour a day. So it is that simple to do. So let's see how we can do that. Okay, so first step will be going to any browser, either it is Chrome or Safari in iPad or iPhone. Okay, there you have to go to the website called talentdesire.com. So when you once type the talentdesire.com and click enter, you will be going to the web page of that company, that is talentdesire.com. Okay, there you will find various job opportunities, but you have to go to the current job or current opening section at the top of the menu. You can find at the top the current opening section. You have to close this ad, and then the job page will open. All the current openings that are available will be open. So as we are concentrated for only online typing job, we will look into that. So before that, just subscribe to the channel, also share the video and like it if you are enjoying it. After going to the current opening section, you will find various jobs. Here, our first duty is to go to online typing job section. As you can see, the amount of money that they will pay is $60 to $120 per day. So that is a very big amount just for just typing. What you have to do is only typing. So when you open the online job typing jobs, okay, you can see the various details about the job. So you can see clearly what they offer for this job. Okay, they are saying that they will offer like 13,500 to $27,000 per year. That is a very big amount. And also they are guaranteeing $1,125 per month as a payment. Okay, you will get that much on the job. And when you scroll down, you will see all the rates that they are providing, and also you will see the amount of earnings that is expected by you per day. So when you scroll down more to the bottom, okay, you can see all the expected earnings, what you will be getting. Okay, and also you come across a earning simulator. Okay, so when you click on this earning simulator no and scroll down, you will find the way to calculate your earnings in various ways. So first way is to calculate per page. So if you are typing 300 words in a page, okay, if a page contains 300 words and per word you are getting $0.005, obviously your per page earning will be $1.5. Then you can calculate your earning per hour basis also. So let's see how we will do that. Okay, so what we will see here is that we will see the rate per word. Okay, we will see the rate per word here. Fine. And we will select it. Let's say for one word we are getting $0.005, and our typing speed in a minute is 40 words per minute. Okay, and then we are working like how many we are working like 5 hours a day, so the total earning will be $12. Okay, so this is how it works. And then we can also calculate our per day earning also. So this is all the calculations that we can make based on different criteria. So this is all about the calculation stuff. Now we have to move back to our work page, that is the online job page. Fine. So again we will move back to that page from this earning simulator. Fine. And then if we scroll down, we will find a apply button. So click on that apply button and then scroll it down. So you will find the various steps of the application. Okay, step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5. Okay, so first select an application form. So click on the select an application form first, and then go to complete it as per guidelines. So you don't have to read any kind of guidelines there, but obviously you have to first go to select application form, and this is their email address that you have to send the mail, which I will tell you in the later stages. Now go to select an application form. Okay, after that, when you scroll down, you will see this page. So you will have this online application form, and click on it. So when you click on it, you will find this link that will show you fill details. Okay, at the top, see nothing is at the bottom. You just click on that, fill in your details. After clicking on that, you will come to this page. First, you have to accept the terms and conditions of the website. So just accept it and fill your details, all the details like first name, last name, your email address from which they will contact you, your contact number, your country, okay, your zip code where you are living. Okay, so everything you have to enter it here. Okay, so enter preferred job title as online typist. Okay, so you have to enter preferred, and when you're selecting the best time for you, select as all day rather than giving some particular time. And then in current employment status, just write self-employed, and in signature place write your name. Write your name and just click on this I'm not a robot, and then submit the application. So this is how you have to submit the online application. Okay, so nothing very complicated here. It's quite a simple process. Okay, but this process I will not be suggesting to you. So you have to go to the offline process. So just click on the offline process, and then you will find offline application form. Click on that, fill this application form completely, attach your photo. Okay, fill this application form completely, attach your photo, give your all your details, whatever you have, okay, in this form, sign it, scan it. Okay, then you have to send it to them through email, and this is the best way of getting the job. Otherwise you will not be contacted for the job. Okay, so now you have filled the offline application form. Go to step 3. Okay, send it to the talent desire team by mail. Which mail? This mail that I have shown you earlier. Okay, and then they will decide on your work, like they will review your application, they will contact you. Okay, then they will give you a demo work. Okay, after completing the demo project, they will review your application, and they will have an interview for you. Okay, so they will conduct an interview. So after the review of application, there will be an interview conducted for the post, and if you clear the interview, then you will be given this job. Fine. So that's all about this typing job. So if you get this job, you can easily earn around $1,000 to $1,500 per month. Okay, so this is how much you can earn by just doing simple typing work, and the projects are very, very simple in this work. So after the final decision, if you get the job, that will be very, very beneficial for you. So that's all for today. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video again.